Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the POS custom order sequence Odoo application by BrowseInfo. It allows you to create and manage the custom receipt and order numbering in the point of sale. It helps businesses to personalize the POS receipt sequences to match their format or branding with easy options to enable or disable the feature as needed. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database. Now I'm just going to the point of sale, and under the configuration, you will find one option for the settings. And here you can find one configuration for the POS configuration for the custom receipt order sequence. Now I'm just going to enable it, and after that you can find one another field is open and it will see the sale POS receipt sequence. Now I'm just going with this internal link, and here you can see the POS custom sequence is open. So here I have added the prefix as BI. If you want to add the suffix, so you can also add the same. After that, you can also use the subsequences per date range if you want to manage, and if you want to add the sequence code, and for the company you want to add, you can also add the same, and you can also update the sequence size, step, and the next number for the same. Here I'm just going to save this. Now I'm just moving forward with the dashboard and open the register. I'm selecting one product, and now I'm selecting the customer and make the payment. So here so here you can see the order BI0001. Our custom order sequence is reflected in this POS order. Thanks for watching. So basically with help of this module, you can easily set the custom POS receipt and order sequences to organize your sales more efficiently and maintain the consistent numbering across all receipts. If you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the Browse Info channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates.